Tighten it up. Now that's nice. So this is a kit that I got on Amazon. This is a stainless steel square slot cutter. Has both sizes, so you have your single gang and double gang. This fits on a Dewalt. I got it to fit on my Dewalt oscillating tool. I had to use the Allen key attachment that should come with your oscillating tool. I tried to use it. It would probably work on my Porter cable as well if I had the screw that I lost or misplaced. Not sure where that is. But yeah, this is really nice because it cuts out a perfect box for you every single time. And you don't need to go all the way through with this. What you could do is you start it with this and then finish it out with like an X-Acto blade. But this just basically gets that hole started. So even if you can't cut all the way through, if you saw mine, mine loosened up. But that's okay, you just tighten it up with an Allen key and it seems to work fine. I don't think there's gonna be an issue with this. And I like that it comes with both. It's really nice to have both sizes. This is the box it comes in, and there it is. That's how it works. It cuts a nice little hole. And you can see that's the hole it cut.